Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Accenture offer letter update. What about the phase process and what about the remaining interview results? In this video we will discuss about the different dates process that is applicable for the remaining interview results, and a candidate got an offer letter from Accenture. Thanks for everything, sir. Your YouTube channel helped me a lot for getting updates to know the information of hiring opportunity. Role is AAC, interview date is 1st July, task mail is on 22nd July, offer letter mail is on 22nd August. Let's start the video. If you not check the recent opportunity, you can check and apply. The latest hiring is ongoing. So first of all, this type of mail is received and it is received on 2:05 am. Congrats, offer from Accenture 22 August 23. This is respect to application. We are pledged to extend an offer to join Accenture in India. Please follow this step to access or view your offer letter. So one of the most important point that candidate mentioned that thank you sir for everything. Your YouTube channel helped me a lot for getting updates. You helped me during document verification. Once again, thank you so much sir. So first of all, congratulations from Online Learning team and family. So basically interview date is 1st July and the role is AAC. Candidate is waiting for the particular task mail, and she received the task mail on 22nd July, and after that offer letter will be on 22 August. So as you can see on my screen that there is a gap. There is a gap in between interview date to the task mail, almost 20 days of gap that is related to the task mail, means no to the interview status. So one of the most important point that I have to mention, that what do you mean by the phase process? Candidates are asking that what about the what about the remaining interview results? So phase process means different dates. Different dates, as you can as we all know about that on the 21st August they release some candidates results, and previously on 22 July they release some of the results, because some candidates got the task mail on 22 July and some candidates got the task mail on 21st August. So after that there will be different date follow, suppose there is an example that on 27 August they will again send the task mail to candidates. So means this is the phase wise process, they are following the different dates process, means they are sending the interview results in the form of phases. And what about how to know the actual interview status for the of Accenture interview results? So basically there is a portal. You have to log into that portal, and after that if you log in successfully, so if the assigned task tab is given, so means you will receive the task mail soon. But one of the most important point, I talked to so many candidates, there is no assigned task tab is given. Because I think if you are selected, when you receive the basically task mail, suppose you will receive the task mail tomorrow, so after that your Candicia will be enabled, and basically you will give on your portal there is assigned task tab is shown in case if you received the task mail. If you are not selected and if you are waiting for results, how they can assign the task tab before giving the task mail. So I think you understand my point, but if you wanted to check your interview results, you can go to portal, you can log in using your ID password. If the assigned task tab is shown, so it is very good news, but I suggest don't complete any of the process before getting the task mail. So you have to follow the process by sending by the Accenture team, because they are checking every step of Candicia, and if there is some step is followed, so if there is some wrong step is followed, so they will send the rejection mail. So if you will see the assigned task tab on the portal, so it is very good news, but wait for the task mail. So there I think you will understand my point that there is a gap in this candidature also. So if you completed your interview in the July itself or in the August itself, so you have to wait for the particular timelines. I think I know that 20 to 22 days is already completed, but they are sending according to their timelines. Okay, so if you received the offer letter mail from Accenture, congratulations from online learning team. If you are waiting for the offer letter, you can just wait for some days and apply for new opportunities as well. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.